Follow these steps to remove Snapchat media upload. Let's get started. First, launch your Snapchat app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. When you send any of the picture or video from your gallery, it's gonna appear as a media upload. To avoid that, what you have to do is navigate to the For You page, then click on plus icon given at the top right. Now select the option of Create. You'll be directed to this page. Now here you're gonna find different option. Select the option Import Media. Your gallery will open up. Now go ahead and select the video that you wanna send. Just check in for it. Then click on Next. Click on Preview. From here you are able to make necessary edits. Once you do that, you can click on the option Send To. Here you're gonna find the list of your Snapchat users. Check in for the one to whom you wanna send the snap. Then you can send it. After you send it, open the conversation with the person. You can see that it has been sent as snap. Now the person won't be notified that the snap has been uploaded from the media. So this is how you can remove Snapchat media upload. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.